Now, the Commission takes note of the determination of the Supreme Court to annul the 8th August 2017 presidential election result. The Commission notes that the three grounds used by the Supreme Court to reach its majority decision to annul the presidential result. We particularly note that the focus of the decision is in the transmission of presidential results. This therefore means that there were no aspersions cast on the voting and counting of votes, and that the sovereign will of the Kenyan people was fully respected in this respect. It's worth noting that the new commissioners only took office 7 months ago without any changes made to the secretariat. To protect the integrity of the sovereign will of the Kenyan people, the Commission intends to make internal changes to our personnel and processes as we prepare for the fresh presidential election in 60 days. The Commission invites the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution to urgently and expeditiously investigate and prosecute any of our staff that may have been involved in violation of the Election Offences Act. The Commission is aware of the limited time to conduct a fresh presidential election in strict adherence to the Constitution and the relevant electoral laws. We urge the Supreme Court to issue the full judgment expeditiously to allow us to have a full understanding of the areas of focus as we prepare a timetable for the fresh presidential election, which we'll publish in the coming days. The Commission urges all Kenyans to remain calm and restrain themselves from any political rhetoric that may undermine the stability and cohesion of our country. In conclusion, we wish to urge all Kenyans for our commitment to ensure that this fresh election is done in accordance with the Constitution, the relevant laws, and that it will reflect the sovereign will of the Kenyan people. Thank you very much, and thank you for coming.
Mr. Chairman, do you feel you should resign in